Kung nasa 20s ka at nagmamagaling ka pero wala kang pera, reality check muna tayo. You're not special just because you're young. You're only as good as what you do with your time. Ang 20s mo ay para magtanim, magtrabaho at mag-focus sa long game. This isn't the time to sit around thinking life owes you something. Because the world doesn't care about your excuses. Kung gusto mong yumaman, now is always the perfect time to get serious. So, let's move. First, you have to stop thinking that you're going to make it big by waiting for some perfect moment. Kasi kung puro ka sana o baka, walang mangyayari sa'yo. Success is reserved for those who are obsessed with results. I'm telling you, if you don't have control over your own mind, someone else will. Ang tunay na yaman, nagsisimula sa mindset yan. Kung iniisip mo pa rin na okay lang maging average, guess what? Average ka nga lang talaga. Hanggang dyan ka na lang. You need to be hungry. Kailangan gutom ka. Hindi yung kaya mo lang magtrabaho pero gusto mong magtagumpay ng todo. Pero normal lang yung tinatrabaho mo, no? Hindi mo makukuha yung resultang gusto mo. So, you have to drop the excuses. Kung seryoso ka, hindi ka naghahanap ng dahilan. You'll only be focused on solutions, on grinding, on moving forward. Kung gusto mo maging mayaman, you have to take ownership of your own life. Walang ibang makakagawa niyan, kundi ikaw. Number 2. Kung ang mga tao na doble ang edad mo ay nagsisisi na dahil hindi sila nag-invest ng maaga, ano pa ang pwedeng maging excuses mo? Kailangan mo na magsimula ngayon, kahit maliit. Kasi kung hindi ka pa nag-i-invest, it's because you're scared. Pero ang tanong, do you want to keep being scared? Or do you want to build something? I started Kangkong Chips Original with just 500 pesos. And now it's a multi-million peso business. Bakit? Kasi hindi ako natakot magsimula sa maliit. You're in your 20s. This is your time to make mistakes, learn, and grow. Start investing kahit maliit ang budget mo. Kasi ang tunay na yaman ay nasa consistent actions. Hindi sa laki ng initial investment. Start small. Think big and build that discipline every single day. Number 3, you're never going to get rich working one job. Kung iisa lang ang source of income, I'm telling you, you're one paycheck away from being broke. The richest people I know don't rely on just one income stream. They've got businesses, investments, and other hustles. And you should too, reselling, freelancing, even starting a business on the side. These are the things you can do right now. Ang income mo dapat ay tulad ng isang river or ilog. Dapat patuloy yan na umaagos mula sa iba't ibang sources. What's the lesson? Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Humanap ka ng ibang paraan para umita ng pera. And watch your wealth grow. Because the more income streams you have, the more you're in control. Number 4. Ang daming tao na nagpapanggap na mayaman, pero wala namang laman ng bank account. They buy things to impress others, pero deep down, they're struggling financially. Real talk, kung ang pera mo ay puro napupunta sa mga bagay na walang long-term value, then you're setting yourself up for failure. Kung hindi mo makontrol ang paggastos mo, paano ka pa-asenso? Sige nga, discipline is freedom, and in money, it's the only way forward. You have to save, you have to invest, and cut out all the luxuries na hindi mo naman kailangan. Kung inuuna mo ang luho kaysa sa future, then guess what? You're just sabotaging yourself. Number 5. Alam mo, hindi lang ito tungkol sa pera at skills. Success is also about how you know at sino ang nakapaligid sa'yo. Kung ang mga kasama mo ay walang ambisyon, walang pangarap, At ang mindset nila ay, okay lang ang average, okay lang na ganito lang ako. Wala mo kung anong mangyayari sa'yo. Madadamay ka sa pagiging average nila. Ako, I don't settle for that. Sinigurado ko na ang mga tao na nasa paligid ko ay nagpapalakas sa akin. I have mentors in every department of my life. May mentor ako sa business. May mentor ako sa finances, sa mindset. At hindi lang basta-basta mga mentor, ha? May mga billionaire mentors pa ako dito sa Pilipinas. Kasi nakita nila kung ano ang kaya kong maging at alam nilang seryoso ako. Hindi ko nakuha yan sa pagdadrama o paghihintay na lumapit sila sa akin. Pinakita ko sa kanila ang vision ko, ang disiplina ko, at ang kakayahan kong mag-level up. Kaya ngayon, mga taong successful ang tumutulong sa akin. Twice or even thrice my age. And they keep me accountable. They push me. And they never let me settle. Ganun ang tunay na mentorship. Hindi sila papayag na mag-settle ka sa average. So kung gusto mo talagang umasenso, kailangan mong piliin kung sino ang kasama mo. Find people who push you, who see your potential, at hindi yung palaging may excuses. Hanap ka ng mentors na nakarating na sa gusto mong puntahan. Yun ang hanapin mo sila. At ipakita mo sa kanila na kaya mong mag-level up. Kasi sa totoo lang, ang tagumpay, hindi lang yan para sa mga gusto lang ng pwede na eh. You have to surround yourself with winners and you'll start winning too. Number 6. Kung iniisip mo na may shortcut to success, well, wake up. Success is earned and it is not given. Lahat ng kilala ko na tunay na successful, hindi tumigil sa una o pangalawang problema. They kept grinding, kept pushing kahit mahirap lang. And that's the truth. Kung gusto mo magtagumpay, kailangan mo ng tiyaga, disiplina, and grit. Kailangan may grit ka. Hindi lahat ng araw madali. Success doesn't care about your feelings. It cares only about your results. So you have to stop looking for shortcuts. Because the grind is real and it's the only way you'll make it. Kaya stick with it. Kahit gaano pa kahirap, that's the only way you build your real wealth. So there it is. Kung gusto mong yumaman sa 20s mo, walang magic formula. It's about discipline, about hunger, and about taking control over the things and over your mind. Kung gusto mong magtagumpay, it's time for you to start now. Stop making excuses, take responsibility, and build a future na karapat-dapat sa'yo. Because the world doesn't owe you anything. Walang utang sa iyo ang mundo o kahit na pamilya mo o kahit gobyerno. So go out there and take what's yours. Start today and create the life that you know that you deserve.